everybody, I am back for Beauty Recommended, answering Britain's biggest beauty questions, and this week we are talking everything teeth and getting the perfect smile, and I am very, very lucky to be with an expert today. This is Dr. Uchenna, and she is clinical director
of London Smiling, which works for teeth.
Very appropriate. Tell me, what are the basics? Because everybody, you know, it's drilled into us, isn't it? You know, use a toothbrush, floss, use a whitening toothpaste, but what are the actual essential basics for keeping an amazing smile?
I think it's all about the right foundations. So just like your face, you know, you would cleanse, you tone, you moisturize. So think about teeth the same way. It's part of your beauty routine. So step number one is using the right tools, which is why my favorite beauty item is the electric toothbrush, and this one especially, yes. There's lots of them, but this is the one that's got all the research behind it. It's the one I use and the one I recommend for patients.
Do you know, I couldn't live without an electric toothbrush now.
And it's a great thing about this one, if you press too hard, it lets you know as well.
I know, it's always flashing red for me when I'm doing it.
So if you're combining that with a great toothpaste, and this one's my favourite because, you know, everybody wants whiter teeth, you know, no matter what, with the whole celeb world. But you want something that will help whiten your teeth and also make them stronger. So this works brilliantly because it's got the fluoride that you need, it's got stuff in it that helps. It's almost like a stain remover, and it stops any stains coming back. So using a combination of the two of them works really, really well. Can you see that, like this one at the end of it? It's a bit like what the hygienist uses, to kind of when you have your scale and polish. So when you combine the two, especially if you do that once a week, it really helps brighten.
So you wouldn't use this head all the time?
No, there's another one that doesn't have, it's that yellow in the middle that makes all the difference.
Oh, okay, it's like a polisher. Is it, I know this is probably going to be a really stupid question, are whiter teeth healthier teeth?
That's a hard one. Not necessarily. Sometimes people, I know the Americans kind of think, you know, we Brits have yellow teeth, so we've got bad teeth, but it's not necessarily true. But if you've got kind of individual bits that are more yellow, sometimes that's a sign that you might have a cavity, so you need to go and see your dentist just to check it out.
But I suppose most of it is just staining, like tea, coffee, red wine and stuff like that, isn't it?
Basically, anything that will stain a white shirt will stain your teeth.
Okay.
So once you keep that in mind, even if you've had your teeth professionally whitened, you still need to maintain it unless you suddenly have a white diet, and I think life is too short for that.
And can whitening toothpaste ever rival the whitening that you could have in a dentist's office, as they say in America? Or, I mean, is this just kind of like an ongoing gradual whitening maintenance thing, or can you ever get like massively white teeth?
No, you've got it in one. It's maintenance. So it's, you know, like if you go for a deep cleansing facial or dermabrasion or something like that, that's what professional whitening does. It's completely safe and effective as long as it's done by a dentist, but then you need to maintain it. So like using, you know, whatever creams afterwards, that's what this does. And this one especially, it's got, it's called pyrophosphates, that's a posh name for it, but what it really does, it's almost like a Teflon coating on your teeth. That's part of, you know, kind of that feeling afterwards, that everything feels smooth and lovely. It makes a big difference. Nice.
So how am I using this one with the cup then? I've just realised that rookie error, I haven't charged it up. So we're going to have to, you can do the noise and I'll... Because you're supposed to hold it on the gum line, aren't you?
Yeah. So the main thing with it is, you know, everyone kind of does that.
I do that.
So you just hold it like that, count to 3, move to the next tooth, move to the next tooth. Dream about lovely things.
So, zzz,
and the next one. And just keep doing that. You don't need to think, it does it for you.
Yeah, because it's so tempting just to... You know, like I like to scrub all over.
But it doesn't, it's not as effective. So what I say to people is work out a routine. So maybe you might start on the left side, you do all the outside, then once you've gone around, do the tops of all the teeth, and then come in and do all the insides. So that way, you know, there's 3 surfaces of teeth that you can get onto that. And that brings me nicely to your next best friend.
I am so bad at flossing.
Yes, the F word is what my patients call it. Okay. And it's so important because no matter
Thank
how
you.
well you brush. You can't clean in between your teeth. So you've got it down to a T.
I know, I just can't be bothered to do it.
It's a routine. So, you know, ideally we say floss and
just have a
sharing.
Outtake!
The best time to do it is at night when you've got more time. So, you know, ideally every day, but let's get real. If you can do it every other day, combine it with the electric toothbrush will make a big difference.
Thank you very much. So it's not only about the perfect smile, it's about health, general health as well.
Absolutely. And I think people forget how important teeth and gums and all the rest of it, because really what people first meet is your smile, and it makes all the difference. You've got a lovely one.
Thank you, so do you. You should have. Okay, everyone, that's it for this time. Make sure that you check in every Friday and leave your biggest burning beauty questions in the comments box below. And see you next time. Bye.
Bye.